Welcome to Module 2 of EPI 403. In this module, we begin to understand what analytical epidemiology is all about. There are actually two modules devoted to analytical epidemiology. This first one deals with fundamental measures of association. So, for example, is smoking related to lung cancer? That would be an example of an association that one might look at. As we learn about measures of association, we need to also learn about the various types of epidemiology study designs that there are. And so for the 3 or 4 weeks during this module, you will be specifically learning those study designs. And the way we teach this is to sort of give you the rules and regs, I guess I'd say, of each study design. But then we give you examples, some from the literature, some from things that we might have done ourselves, some hypothetical examples, so that you understand the differences across these studies and the important strengths and limitations within each design. These are, again, as you learned in the first module when we had fundamental measures, this module teaches you the fundamental study designs that are used. And if you read the literature in public health or in epidemiology, every one of these study designs that you will learn about will be represented within there. And each of these designs has, as I said earlier, strengths, limitations. They have their own measures of association, and you will learn all about this during this module. So good luck, and again, our TAs and I and Dr. Turek are available at any time if you have questions.